welcome back. So now that we have implemented our television class, let's continue with our lecture notes. Augmentation. Okay, now we want to design a deluxe version of our television. That is, we want to design a child class of our television class in which we wish to add support for managing a set of so-called favorite channels. Okay, so suppose we want a child class deluxe television where you have the following methods in mind. So basically you want to be able to have a favorite list of channels to which you will be able to add to that list. So add to favorites, a method that adds the currently viewed channel to the set of favorites. Okay, if that currently viewed channel is not already there. Remove from favorites. This will be a method which removes the currently viewed channel from the set of favorites if it is presently in that list. Jump to favorite method. This is a method that jumps from the current channel setting to the next higher channel in the set of favorites. Okay, so we should continue to remain in the list of favorites. However, if no favorites are numbered higher than the current channel, it wraps around to the lowest favorite. If there are no favorites at all, the channel remains unchanged. So notice this is a rather elaborate method to implement. Sorry. So we are going to import television class from the file television.py. We develop a new class, deluxe television, that uses television class as its parent. So we have to start with class deluxe television, a child of the television. Okay, so we place the parent class in parentheses. If you go to your files, then you will find deluxe television 1. Okay, open it. And that is where you are. Okay, so from television file, import television. So I hope you understand the difference here. The first television is the file television.py. The second television is the class which is inside television file. You see, class. So this class is being imported from the file television.py. Okay, so in other words, if you don't want to write this sentence, you would have to write the definition of the entire class here. So notice how this is a clean way of separating child from the parent classes. Sorry. So class television, deluxe TV from television. In it, all we are using is the same brand and model. How do I use brand and model? I'm going to use the television class init method on the self object. Don't forget, if you're writing television, you have to say self. If you don't say self, you can use super parentheses. Okay. Now, in addition, so here is the augmentation. Self dot underscore favorites. As of now, that is the default setting is an empty list. So you have augmented. Okay, you have augmented an instance variable. In this case, the instance variable is a list of favorites. Okay, now I ask you to go over each of these methods by yourself. Okay, and I'll come back and complete this video.